Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the 3D geometry important problems. First of all, we'll start with the basics, okay? Here we have a question. If the line makes an angle 90 degrees, 135 degrees, 45 degrees with XYZ axis respectively, find its DCs. Now, DCs, let us represent. DCs means L comma M comma N are DCs, okay? A comma B comma C are DRs. Now first, what is given in the question? X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. A line makes an angle 90 degrees with respect to X-axis, 135 degrees with respect to Y-axis, and 45 degrees with Z-axis. 45 degrees with Z-axis. Now this line is making 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 135 degrees. These angles we call it as directional angles. Okay, cosine of angles is known as a directional cosines. Cosines of a directions, DCs, direction cosines. Now, angles given, L is equals to cos alpha, M is equals to cos beta, N is equals to cos gamma. Here alpha is angle between a line and x-axis. That means given angles, given alpha is equals to 90 degrees, beta is equals to 135 degrees, gamma is equals to 45 degrees. Now tell me, L is equals to cos alpha. Alpha is 90 degrees. So cos 90 is 0. So L is equals to 0. Next, M is equals to cos beta. Cos beta, cos 135 degrees. So cos 135 degrees can be written as cos of 180 minus 45 degrees. Okay. Here 180 minus 45, 180 minus theta. This is 180 minus theta. Lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative. So minus 180, due to the 180 cos will remains cos only, cos 45 degrees. So minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So M is equals to 1 by root 2. Next, gamma. Gamma is what? N is equals to cos gamma. N is equals to cos 45 degrees, which is nothing but 1 by root 2. And so we have 0 minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 are the DCs. DCs, L comma M comma N. Here L is what? Cos alpha. Cos alpha value is 0, comma M value is minus 1 by root 2, comma 1 by root 2. That's all. This is the solution. Find DCs of a line which makes an equal angles with coordinate axis. Now here we given x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. A line makes equal angle with respect to coordinate axis. Okay, this is, let us say, theta. This is also will become theta. This is also theta. This line makes equal angles. So alpha is equals to theta, beta is equals to theta, gamma is equals to theta. So we have a relation L square plus M square plus N square is equals to 1. So what is L? Cos alpha. A square is the square. M is cos beta, cos square beta, plus N square we have. So cos square gamma is equals to 1. Here angles are equal. Alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma is equals to theta. But let us say we said theta. So I'm substituting in the place of alpha, beta, gamma, theta. Cos square theta plus cos square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 cos square theta is equals to 1. Cos square theta is equals to 1 by 3. Cos theta is equals to 1 by root 3. Cos theta is equals to 1 by root 3. If we will ask you to find the angle, this is the solution. What is asking? DCs. Okay, DCs is what? Cos alpha comma cos beta comma cos gamma. So here plus or minus, don't forget here. So cos alpha value is 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3, because angles are equal. Plus or minus is the DCs. If a line has a DRs, then what is the DCs? So when we have a DRs, A comma B comma C, let us call it ABC are the DRs, then DCs can be written as A by root over A square plus B square plus C square comma B by root over A square plus B square plus C square comma C by root over A square plus B square plus C square. This is a DCs. Okay, now here we have DRs what we have minus 18 comma 12 comma minus 4. From here DCs can be written as minus 18 by root over 18 square plus 12 square plus 12 square plus 4 square, comma 12 by root over 18 square plus 12 square plus 4 square, comma minus 4 by root over 18 square plus 12 square plus 4 square. So here minus 18 by root over 18 18s are 324 plus 12 12s are 144 plus 4 4s are 16, comma 12 by root over 18 18s are same 324 plus 144 plus 16, minus 4 by root over 324 plus 144 plus 16. So the result will be 324 plus 144 plus 16 is 484. Okay, 484. Root over 484 is 22. So minus 18 by 22, comma 12 by 22, comma minus 4 by 22. That's all. This is the DCs. Basics actually. Okay. Find the DCs of a triangle whose vertices are given. Now here given vertices is, let us say this point is A, 3 comma 5 comma minus 4, and B is minus 1 comma 1 comma 2. C point is minus 5 comma 5 comma minus 2. So we need to find the DCs of AB, DCs of BC, DCs of AC. Now in order to find the DCs, first of all we should find the DRs. Okay, DRs of AB is x2 minus x1. Okay, AB x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 3 comma y2 minus y1 1 minus 5 1 minus 5, z2 minus z1 2 minus of minus 4. This is the DRs. Okay, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 comma, this is minus 4 comma, this is minus minus plus 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is DRs of AB. Now DCs, find DCs. Okay, DCs is equals to DCs of AB is equals to minus 4 by root over 4 4 is the 16 plus 4 4 is the 16 plus 6 6 is the 36, comma minus 4 by same copy paste root over 16 plus 36, comma 6 comma root over 16 plus 36. So here minus 4 by root over 16 plus 16 plus, here 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 36 is root over 68. Here root over 68 can be written as 4 17s, right? So root over 4 can be written as 2 root over 17. So I can write in the place of root 68. That means in the place of root over 16 plus 36, I can write 2 times of root 17. So 2 times of root 17, comma minus 4 by 2 times of root 17, comma 6 by 2 times of root 17. Now here 2 2s, 4 2 2s, 2 3s. So DCs can be written as minus 2 by root 17, comma minus 2 by root 17, comma 3 by root 17 of BC. Now DRs of BC. BC is minus 5 minus of minus plus 1. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. Next y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 and minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. So do the modulus, like magnitude. Find the magnitude here. 4 square plus 6 square plus 4 square is root over 68. Root over 68 can be written as 2 times of root 17. Okay, now DCs of BC can be written as minus 4 by this 2 times of root 17, comma minus 6 by 2 times of root 17, comma minus 4 by 2 times of root 17. So answer will come out to be 2 times 2 3s 2 2s. So here minus 2 by root 17, comma minus 3 by root 17, comma minus 2 by root 17. This is the DCs of BC. Next DCs of AC. Okay, first find the DRs of AC is equals to x2 minus x1 minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. Okay, minus 5 minus of minus 5 is minus 10. Minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2. So here magnitude 8 square plus 10 square plus 2 square can be written as 8 8s are 64 10 tens 100 plus 2 2s 4. So from here we can write 168. 168 can be written as 4 into 42, right? 4 2 is 8, 4 4 16. So 42. Root over 4 can be written as 2. Root over 42. 2 times of root 42 is the magnitude. Now DCs of AC can be written as minus 8 by 2 root 42, comma, minus 10 by 2 root 42, comma, 2 by root 42. From here, denominator 2 4s, 2 5s, 2 1s. So here DCs comes out to be minus 4 by root 42, comma, minus 5 by root 42, comma, 1 by root 42. That's all. This is the DCs of here DRs of a line A1 comma B1 comma C1 and DRs of a line which is perpendicular to the line A2 comma B2 comma C2. Then both are perpendicular. Perpendicular condition is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equals to 0 is the condition. When DRs given, when DCs given, DCs means DCs L1 comma M1 comma N1 and another line DCs will be L2 comma M2 comma N2. Then perpendicular condition is L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equals to 0 is the condition for perpendicular. Okay, next we have one line whose DRs A1 comma B1 comma C1 and one more line parallel to each other A2 comma B2 comma C2. Then parallel condition is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. Okay, we have a question here. Show that the line through points is perpendicular to the line through the points. Now let us consider one line in which we have a 2 points 1 comma minus 1 comma 2 and one more point 3 comma 4 comma minus 2 and through which another line is passing perpendicular to each other. Now this is 0 comma 3 comma 2 and this point is 3 comma 5 comma 6. Let us say here DRs of first line will be A1 comma B1 comma C1. Okay, now find the DRs of a line passes through 1 comma minus 1 comma 2 3 comma 4 comma minus 2. So DRs will be A1 comma B1 comma C1 is equals to x2 minus x1. Okay, 3 minus 1 comma y2 minus y1 4 minus of minus plus 1 comma z2 minus z1 minus 2 minus 2. So this will be 2 comma 5 comma minus 4 will be the DRs. Okay, DRs. Next, DRs of a line passes through 6. Now find the DRs. Okay, DRs. Let us say DRs be A2 comma B2 comma C2 is equals to x2 minus x1 3 minus 0 comma y2 minus y1 5 minus 3 6 minus 2 z2 minus z1. So 3 comma this is 2 comma this is 4. So we have A2 comma B2 comma C2 be the DRs of a 2 lines perpendicular. We need to show here perpendicular condition. This is DRs A2 comma B2 comma C2 and this line DRs DCs are DRs A1 comma B1 comma C1. Then perpendicular condition is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equals to 0. Now consider LHS. Okay, LHS and try to prove RHS. LHS A1 A2 plus A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. Now here A1 is what? 2, B1 A2 is 3, 2 3 is 6, 2 into 3 plus B1 B2, B1 is 5 into 2, C1 is minus 4 into 4, minus 4 into 4, 2 3 is 6, 5 2 is 10, minus 4 4 is 16, plus 16 minus 16 will become 0, hence satisfying the condition. Therefore given lines are perpendicular, given lines are perpendicular each other. That's all. This is the solution. Here given, show that the lines through the points is parallel to the another line. Okay, this line is we have and one more line. These two lines are parallel to each other. This first line is passing through 4 comma 7 comma 8 and 2 comma 3 comma 4 and next line is passing through -1 comma -2 comma 1 1 comma 2 comma 5. Now first find the DRs. Okay, DRs a1 comma b1 comma c1. Find DRs a2 comma b2 comma c2. First find the DRs. Let us name it. This point is AB and this point is CD. Okay, DRs of AB is equals to 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 3 minus 7 is minus 4, 4 minus 8 is minus 4. So DRs of AB is this. Let us call it A1 B1 C1, right? A1 is minus 2, B1 is minus 4, C1 is minus 4. Next, DRs of CD is equals to x2 minus x1, 1 minus of minus plus, 1 plus 1 2, y2 minus y1, y2 is 2, minus of minus plus 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, comma z2 minus z1, 5 minus 1 is 4. So 2 comma 4 comma 4 is the DRs. So let us call it A2 B2 C2 are the DRs. So DRs A2 is 2, B2 is 4, C2 is equals to 4. Now what is asking to prove? Parallel to each other. Okay, parallel condition is what? A2 by A1 is equals to B2 by B1 is equals to C2 by C1. From here A2 is we have 2 by A1 is minus 2 is equals to B2 by B1, B2 is 4 by B1 is minus 4 is equals to C2 is 4, C1 is minus 4. So 2 2 cancel, 4 4 cancel, 4 4 cancel, minus 1 is equals to minus 1 is equals to minus 1, hence all are equal. Therefore AB and CD lines are parallel. Find the equation of a line which passes through the point. Okay, this line is passing through the point 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, and parallel to the vector. This is the vector. Okay, this vector is 3i cap 2j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, 3 2 minus 2 is a vector parallel to this line. Find the equation of a line. Okay, equation of a line we need to find. Now given actually one point is passing through here, equation of a line formula is, equation of a line formula is R is equals to A plus lambda times of B, where A is the point. Okay, A is the point, B is DRs. Okay, B is DRs, A is the point, B is the DRs. Here we have point is x1 comma y1 comma z1 be the point, and here DRs is equals to vector. Okay, parallel to this, so vector 3 comma 2 comma minus 2 be the DRs, and we have a point here x1 y1 z1 1 2 3. So equation of a line in vector form we can write it as R is equals to, A is a point, so A is a point, I can write I plus 2j plus 3k is a point, plus lambda times of B vector is this DRs, right? 3i plus 2j minus 2k bar. From here simplify, I take common, I coefficient is 1 plus lambda times of 3 times of lambda plus j take common 2 plus 2 lambda k, this is k, 3 minus 2 lambda. So this is the vector equation of a line. This is the vector equation of a line. Vector equation of a line. Find the Cartesian line equation. Then Cartesian is R is along xi plus yj plus zk is equals to I. Compare I coefficient, j coefficient, k coefficient. So here x is equals to 1 plus 3 lambda. Next is y is equals to 2 plus 2 lambda. Next z is equals to 3 minus 2 lambda. From here bring this 1 to the left hand side, minus 1 3 lambda. Lambda is equals to x minus 1 by 3. Similarly send this 2 to the left hand side, y minus 2 is equals to 2 lambda. Lambda is equals to y minus 2 by 2. Next 3 send it to the left hand side, z minus 3 is equals to minus 2 lambda. Minus 2 send it to the left hand side, lambda is equals to z minus 3 by minus 2. Equation of a line is lambda lambda lambda, equate it. Now x minus 3 is equals to y minus 2 by 2 is equals to z minus 3 by minus 2 be the line equation. Line equation, or else we can able to find, this is a Cartesian line equation. Okay, this is a Cartesian line equation. Once again I will explain you once again. Here one point is there, one point x1 comma y1 comma z1, and one DRs a1 comma b1 comma c1. Then find the equation of a line. Equation of a line in vector form can be written as r bar is equals to x1 comma y1 comma z1 is a point plus lambda times of dr's. Okay, a1 b1 c1, a1 b1 c1 be the vectors. Okay, dr's. So this is a vector equation, vector line equation. In Cartesian line equation, x minus x1 by a1 is equals to y minus y1 by b1 is equals to z minus z1 by c1. Here a1 b1 c1 are dr's. Find Cartesian equation of a line which passes through the point. Okay, this line is parallel to one line. Here this line is passing through minus 2 comma 4 comma minus 5, and this line equation is given. This line equation is x plus 3 by 3 is equals to y minus 4 by 5 is equals to z plus 8 by 6. Here dr's of this line is 3 comma 5 comma 6. Here x minus x1 by a1 is equals to y minus y1 by b1 is equals to z minus z1 by c1. Here a1 b1 c1 are the dr's. Denominator term dr's. Okay, 3 5 6 be the dr's of the line. Next, in order to find the equation of a line, we have one point, we need to have one dr's, right? So parallel line dr's always equal. Okay, parallel line dr's always equal. If this dr's is 3 comma 5 comma 6, then this line dr's also will be equal, 3 comma 5 comma 6. Then we have one point and one dr. Find the equation of a line in Cartesian form. Equation of a line be x minus x1 by a1 is equals to y minus y1 by b1 is equals to z minus z1 by c. Say that x1 be the point minus 2, y1 z1. X minus x1 is minus 2 by a1 is 3 is equals to y minus y1. Y minus y1 is 4 by b1 is 5 is equals to z minus z1. Z1 is minus of minus 5 by c1 is 6. From here we can write it as x plus 2 by 3 is equals to y minus 4 by 5 is equals to z plus 5 by 6 is the Cartesian line equation. This is the required line equation. That's all.